Today we're going to go over the distributive property. Okay, so the distributive property is a property that says if I have a number A and I'm multiplying it by a number B, then it will equal AB plus AC. So A times the sum of B plus C equals A times B, because I multiplied this times this, and then I kept the addition sign and I multiplied A times C. And that's how you get A times B plus A times C on the right of the equal sign. Okay, so let's put this to work. If I give you 7 times the sum of 6 and 5, well, there's two ways you can see this, you can solve this problem. The first one is that you can use order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS says that we're going to do whatever's in parentheses first. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Bring down the 7. 7 times 11 is 77. But if I want to use the distributive property, it's going to be done like this. So I'm going to take 7, multiply it by 6, because the number that is next to the parentheses is the one you're multiplying everything inside the parentheses by. So 7 times 6 is 42. I'm going to keep the plus sign over here. 7 times 5 is 35. And when you add that, you get 77. So both ways are correct. Now, sometimes we are going to have subtraction. So if I had subtraction with the distributive property, it would be A times the difference of B and C. It still equals A times B. However, this time we use a subtraction sign, and A times C. So in an example, I have 5 times the difference of 7 and 9. So using order of operations, I'm going to do what's inside the parentheses first and get -2. 5 times -2 is -10. That's familiar to us. But let's jump over to use the distributive property, which is new for some, or it's review. And we're going to use the same problem. So 5 is directly in front of the parentheses. We multiply that first by 7 and get 35. We keep the subtraction sign, and then we do 5 times 9, which is 45. And that will get -10 also. So we've proven that it works both ways. If you are interested in another video which has practice problems, that is coming up, that will be uploaded after this one. Thank you.